How to disable auto zoom in Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can disable auto zoom in Android. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to open up settings in your device. Once you're under settings, scroll down and search for an option as accessibility. Tap on it. Once you're under accessibility, here you have magnification under display. Tap on it. And here your magnification shortcut is turned on. That means whenever you tap on the shortcut on your screen, you will see your screen will zoom out or zoom in. If you tap on it, it will zoom out. Now to turn off this zoom on your Android, all you have to do is turn off this toggle right here, and with that now your auto zoom will be disabled. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.